Number 5, Dr. Islam, how do I fix travelers' constipation? All right, how many of you guys, when we did travel, which I know we're not traveling now, how many of you guys had issues with constipation whenever you traveled? I'll be honest with you, I did. Yes, I'll be the first to admit that. My bowels slowed down when I went traveling. Here's the reason why. So number 1, as you're going on a plane or going in a car, it's a very easy chance for you to become more dehydrated. You're not drinking as much. You're having a change in the altitude. You're on a road trip. You don't want to stop off and use the restroom. That's one reason. Number 2 is that we're not eating the normal things that we normally do. So when I go on vacation, I go crazy. I eat whatever I want. I want to enjoy my time. I'm not as strict with my diet. I don't have a lot of fruits. I don't have a lot of vegetables. I'm a bad boy, and that's the way it is. Number 3, too, I'm out of my kind of normal habit. So I have a particular habit. We typically, most of us do, of when we want to use the restroom. And when we use the restroom, we have certain triggers that allow our body to relax and use the restroom. When you're on vacation, you do not have those same triggers. So what can you do to fix this? Number 1, you really have to hydrate. Hydrate. It makes a difference. Number 2, I recommend starting your day with a great prebiotic fiber. Something like wheat dextrin that's in benefiber, guar gum, acacia powder. These are fantastic, natural prebiotic fibers that can really help out with your gut microbiome and move things through quicker and more effectively. Number 3, consider starting a magnesium supplement. Talk with your doctor, but this is one thing that I recommend for a lot of my patients to help them use the restroom more effectively. Number 4, when you feel the urge to go, go. Don't wait. Don't sit in the car. Don't sit on that plane. Actually use the restroom. Apologize. Actually use the restroom when you feel the urge to go. And then lastly, number 5, if you need to use one of the big guns like a laxative, like Miralax, perfectly fine. Not a big deal. I take Miralax with me on a vacation because I know I'm going to be stopped up, and I know I do not want that to be a problem for me because I want to enjoy my vacation. I want to enjoy my time off.